Rain on the Roof by Coach Skinny, Poem Summary, NCERT Grade 9, presentation by Yashvi Goyal. Table of Contents, Introduction, Poem Summary, Conclusion, and About the Poet. Introduction. This poem tells us about the poet's sweet memory of his childhood. At night, when dark clouds cover the sky and it rains gently, then the poet lies in his cozy bed and listens to the sound of the raindrops falling overhead on the roof of his cottage. The poet remembers the loving look of his mother, who used to shower love and affection on her children. Poem Summary. In this poem, the poet expresses his love for nature and praises the healing power of rain, especially when heard from a cozy bed in a lovely cottage. The poet is thrilled when he observes the starry night being overcast with rain-bearing clouds. But he doesn't like the darkness that spreads all around. It is something like mourning the melancholic spirit of indescribable sadness. Soon it starts raining to compensate it for the spirit of peace for the lonely night at hand. The poet feels immense pleasure to lie in his cottage chamber bed with his head pressed against a soft pillow and listen to the sound of the raindrops falling on the tin roof overhead. Every drop of rain falling on the roof makes a tinkling sound that produces an echo in the poet's heart. These sounds arouse 1,000 imaginations in the poet's busy mind. The pattering sound of the raindrops also revives 1,000 memories of his childhood. One of these memories is related to his dear mother who is not in this world. The poet remembers how she used to give a lovely look at her dear children when she put them to sleep and wished them to have sweet dreams before leaving them to meet again the next morning. The poet, while listening to the repetitive rhythms of the raindrops falling on the roof of his cottage, can feel the presence of his mother around him. He visualizes her affectionate look bending over him. Thus he presents rain as a bridging force between his present and past. Conclusion. The poem Rain on the Roof conveys the message that rain is Mother Nature's way of showing her healing and therapeutic properties. It leaves everlasting memories in the minds of humans with its presence, fragrance, and sound apart from the experiences of humans with it. The rain rejuvenates and refreshes the human mind by helping it to relive and recollect present memories of the past. About the poet, Coach Skinny, 1826 to 1904. Kinney was born at Kinney's Corner, New York. He was educated at Antioch College, Ohio, but did not graduate. He was admitted to the bar in 1856 and became connected editorially with journals in Xenia and Cincinnati, Ohio, Springfield, Illinois, and elsewhere. He served in the Civil War as major and paymaster and later was active in Ohio Republican politics, being a senator in the state legislature 1882 to 1883. His verses were collected in Kyoka and Other Poems, 1855, and Lyrics of the Ideal and Real, 1888. One of his lyrics set to music, Rain on the Roof, was widely popular. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, WhatsApp Genius.